Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So we have this is square root of a plus a is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we find an interval in which the solution of this equation is lies. So here first we move this a to the right hand side and we get square root of a is equals to 4 minus a. So here if we find the real solution of this problem, and you know about that the value inside the square root is always greater than or equals to 0, and here for the real solution we again write the right hand side should must be greater than 0. So here from this we move minus a to the right hand side and we get here 4 is greater than a, and when we combine both of these two inequalities we will get here 0 is less than equals to a is less than 4. So this means that the solution of this equation is lies in this interval. So now we move towards to find the solution which is lies in this interval, and here we call this is our equation number 1. And now we take squaring on this equation on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will be written as square root of a whole square equals to 4 minus a and its whole square. And you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here a is equals to, in the right hand side we use the nice algebraic formula. You know that this will becomes 4 square minus 2 times of 4 into a plus a square. And further we have this 4 square becomes 16 minus 2 times 4 becomes 8a plus a square. And in the next step here we move the value a from left hand side to the right hand side, and we will obtain a square minus 8a plus 16, and this is positive a becomes negative a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to write this into the simplified form, and we have a square minus 8a minus a becomes here minus 9a plus 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see that after little bit simplification we will convert our given equation into the quadratic form. And here we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to minus 9, and c is equals to 16. And we state the quadratic formula as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we need to write we need to substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will becomes here this is minus b. The value of b is minus 9 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 9 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. Further we have this is minus times minus becomes plus 9 plus minus square root of minus 9 square becomes 81 minus 4 times 16 is equals to 64, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So when we subtract this value we will get here our a is equals to 9 plus minus square root of 17, and it is divided by 2. So here we write this into the two ways. So first we have our a is equals to this is 9 plus square root of 17 divided by 2, and here we write the negative value. It is 9 minus square root of 17 is also divided by 2. So if we write this value into the exact decimal form, so we will obtain here 9 plus square root of 17 divided by 2 is equals to 6.56, and when we convert this into the decimal form we will get here a is equals to 2.43 and 84. So in the start of the problem, we will write here the interval in which the solution of this problem is lies. So this interval is that 0 is less or equals to a is less than 4. It means that we choose or we accept those value whose lies in this interval. So you see that a 6.56 is not lies in this interval. So this means that this value is not the solution of this problem. So here we call that a equals to 6.56, be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And here you see that 2.4384 is lies in this interval. So we will be called that the solution set of this problem is 2.4384, and this value is equals to 9 minus square root of 17 divided by 2. So this is the our final answer. You can also verify these two values in other way. Okay, so this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.